Alright, you guys, we're on day 6. So, we're going to be making these evil eyes. Yay. So, you're going to need, as usual, 4 colors. For this one, I use black, a light blue, a white, and then this periwinkle color. This periwinkle color is from Craft Smart brand by Michaels, but it is discontinued. I think now they're using loop and thread, so there is another color that's similar to that, but I don't believe it's called periwinkle. It looks like this. I'm not going to be using periwinkle today just because this is what I use. This is what I had on hand when I made these earrings. I just bought a bunch of yarn from Facebook Marketplace, and I did find this blue, this one, which is the original color that I wanted. So I do have, it is an option to use periwinkle for the outside if you would like. Otherwise, the one we're making today is going to look like this, which is the standard evil eye. Okay, so I'm using worsted 4-weight medium yarn, and the colors, I believe this is navy blue, baby blue, white, and then some royal blue. Okay, so we're going to start from the middle and work our way out. So we're going to start with that navy blue. I'm going to be using a 4.5mm hook. Make sure you have your earring, chains, metal tapestry needle, and that's it. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start by making a magic ring. And we're going to make 8 single crochet in the center hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull that tail tight to close the center, and then slip stitch on the top of that first single crochet loops. Okay, chain 1 and clip a tail. Okay, now we're done with the navy blue. We're going to bring in our next color, which is the baby blue, and make a slip knot. Okay, we're going to start in the first single crochet loops, pull the slip knot through, chain 1, and I like to tie the tail in the working yarn for extra security. Chain 1 again. Then we're going to yarn over and make a half double crochet in that same space where we did the chain 2. Half double crochet in the next space. Half double crochet in the next space. Make sure your tension isn't super oh my gosh. Make sure your tension isn't super tight. Okay, keep it loose. And half double crochet in the rest of the stitches until you work your way back to the beginning. Okay, so you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. excluding that chain 2 space. Slip stitch on the top of that first half double crochet, okay, and then clip. We're done with the baby blue and we're bringing in the white. So we're going to start by making a slip knot. Insert it in the top of that, the first 2 loops of the half double crochet, and bring the slip knot through. Chain 1 and tie the tail and the working yarn together for extra security. Chain 2, and we're going to make we're going to make a double crochet in that same space as the chain 2. Okay, now we're going to make 2 double crochet in the next space. So 2 double crochet in each space in the round. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, until we make our way back at the beginning. Okay, and you'll see there's still some space here, so we're going to do 1 double crochet in this space, and then slip stitch again with loose tension the first double crochet, and then clip. Okay, now all we have left is our last color. So we're going to make a slip knot. We're going to insert in the top. We're going to insert in the top of that first double crochet and pull the slip knot through. Chain 1. We're going to make a half double crochet in that same space. Okay, now we're going to make 1 half double crochet in the next space, 1 half double crochet in the next space, and then 2 half double crochet in the next space. 1 double crochet in the next space, 1 double crochet in the next space, 2 double crochet in the next space. Keep your tension loose and repeat this until you make it to the end. 1 half double crochet in the next space, 1 half double crochet in the next space, 2 half double crochet in the next space. It's kind of nutty because from the side it looks like an actual eye. Don't worry if it curves because you'll need to block it anyways. So that last one you'll be ending with 1, but we're gonna go ahead and do an extra half double crochet right here. Excuse me, 2. And then slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut off a good sized tail. Okay, so I'm going to zoom. Okay, so after that zoomed in, I got cut off, and then I didn't even realize my video paused after I completed the middle one. So weaving in the center will be just like how I'm about to show you. So go ahead and pick up the light blue tail, the longer tail, And then we're going to weave it under this loop to bring it closer to the center tail, you see? So now they're practically in the same space. That's very important to do. And then I double knot it, and then I'll weave in this side first. And then pick this one up and do the same thing. Okay, now same thing with the white. Make sure you pull them tight. Take the longer half first. Weave it under a couple loops. Double knot it. Okay, with the blue one, you can do it separately, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then with the last tail, we're going to insert through the right side. Okay, wrap it around the left and behind, and then through the right side again, and then right down the middle through the back side, and then pick up any loop and just double knot it. And there you have it. Again, you'll need to block it, so don't worry about it not being perfect. And there you have it, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to day 6 of my earring series. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions or concern, please leave them in the comments and I'll for sure get back to you guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because after this series I have 2 new turtle patterns that I'll be releasing. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you for our final day 7 tomorrow. Peace.